Home Remedies presents
Old doctors mix castor oil and baking soda to treat 19 health issues. Results in just 48 hours. Have you ever thought about the true strength of mixing castor oil and baking soda? This isn't just an old home remedy. It is a strong natural treatment that can help with many health problems, even long lasting ones. Today we will look at the special benefits of this mix, explain how to use it properly, and highlight when it might be best to steer clear of it. Castor oil, which is high in ricinoleic acid, has been valued for its anti inflammatory and pain relieving effects for many years. On the other hand, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is famous for its ability to balance acids and lessen inflammation. When these two natural ingredients are mixed, they form a powerful remedy that can address various issues from skin ailments to joint discomfort. Now, let's explore some of their unique applications and how they complement each other to boost their benefits. Let's begin with the benefits of castor oil and baking soda. Number 1. Improve skin health and healing. To deal with dry skin, stretch marks, minor cuts, and protect wounds from infection, mix 1 tablespoon castor oil with 1 teaspoon baking soda. Apply and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Do daily. Number 2. Natural relief for joint and muscle pain. Combine equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Massage into affected area and cover for 30 minutes with warm cloth. This helps in deep absorption, offering relief from discomfort, boosting circulation and lymphatic drainage. Number 3. Treats fungal infections and toenail fungus. This combination works by breaking down the protective layers of the fungi and creating an environment where they cannot survive. Mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Apply and leave for 20 to 30 minutes before washing off. Repeat twice daily till infection subsides. Number 4. Soothe insect bites and skin irritations. This mixture can help soothe the itching and reduce redness. Castor oil provides moisture and reduces inflammation, while baking soda neutralizes the acids that cause irritation. Apply mixture to site and let sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. You will notice relief almost instantly. It is important to select castor oil and baking soda from reliable sources. You can check the video description below for my top picks for trustworthy castor oil and quality baking soda. Of course, you can also purchase them from any other source you trust. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Number 5. Alleviating digestive issues and bloating. The oil encourages intestinal movement, while the baking soda calms the stomach, providing a complete solution for digestive comfort. Take up to 5 drops castor oil internally, check with the doctor first, or rub into abdomen. Simply massage it and cover with warm cloth for 30 minutes. Number 6. Reducing scars, stretch marks, and skin discoloration. This blend can slowly enhance the look of scars, stretch marks, and dark spots with regular use. Over time, it may lighten these areas, resulting in skin that is more even and smooth. Combine 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Apply and leave for 20 to 30 minutes before washing off. Do daily. Number 7. Combating acne and oily skin. For people dealing with acne or oily skin, a major benefit of this treatment is that it tackles several causes of acne, such as clogged pores, excess oil, and bacteria, all in one easy application. Over time, the skin can become clearer, less oily, and more balanced, which can lessen the need for strong chemical treatments. Combine equal amounts of castor oil and baking soda. Apply and sit 15 to 20 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Number 8. Promoting hair and scalp health. This mix not only helps hair grow healthier but also tackles scalp problems like dandruff and itchiness. As we get older, hair thinning, breakage, and scalp issues become more common. Combine 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 teaspoon baking soda, massage into scalp, and leave for 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Do once a week. Number 9. Supports lymphatic system and detox. Helps inflammation, swelling, fatigue. Applying this mixture to parts of the body with many lymph nodes can help improve lymphatic drainage. This is especially helpful for those experiencing chronic inflammation, swelling, or fatigue, as it helps eliminate toxins and enhances overall health. Massage into areas with concentrated lymph nodes, example neck, armpits, groin, for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off. Do this regularly. Number 10. Seamless integration with other treatments. This mixture can easily add to your current use of natural remedies or treatments. For instance, combining it with essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil can boost the antimicrobial effects of castor oil. Additionally, using it with a balanced diet or exercise plan can help improve circulation and overall health. Number 11. Gentle relief for arthritis and joint stiffness. When nature provides such an easy solution, imagine the gentle warmth spreading over your knees, elbows, or any area where you feel pain. It is a soothing sensation, isn't it? Combine 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Massage into affected joint for 10 minutes. Cover with warm towel and rest 30 minutes. Can do before bedtime to help relax your joints overnight. Number 12. Rejuvenating hands and feet. Exfoliates, softens, moisturizes dry, cracked skin. This is perfect for anyone with dry, rough skin on their heels or knuckles. With just a few minutes of care each day, you will see a big change: softer skin and less discomfort. Combine 1 tablespoon castor oil with 1 teaspoon baking soda, massage into dry skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Do a few times per week. Number 13. Improving nail health. Castor oil strengthens nails and makes them less prone to breaking. Massage a small amount of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda to nails and cuticles. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse off. Do regularly for stronger nails. Number 14. Soothing tired eyes. This blend can help lessen puffiness around the eyes and ease any discomfort. Mix half teaspoon castor oil with a pinch baking soda and apply to eyelids. Close eyes and relax 10 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Number 15. Reducing fine lines and wrinkles. This mixture works to hydrate the skin and promote cell renewal, making wrinkles less noticeable over time. The result: softer, smoother skin that feels more youthful. Combine 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Apply the mixture to areas with fine lines such as around the eyes or mouth. Leave it. Leave for 15 minutes. Rinse off. Repeat several times a week. Number 16. Soothing sunburns. This mixture cools and soothes the burn, reducing redness and irritation. Combine 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Apply to sunburnt area and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off. Repeat daily till the burn heals. Number 17. Relieving sinus congestion. Using a mix of castor oil and baking soda could provide surprising relief. Applying this blend to your sinus areas may help reduce swelling and improve drainage, which can naturally clear congestion. Warm mixture of 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Massage into sinus areas, example forehead and either side of nose. Leave on for 20 minutes before rinsing off. Number 18. Supporting oral health, anti-plaque, bleeding or irritated gums. This mix can help lower plaque buildup and promote healthier gums, especially if you have irritation or bleeding. Mix a small amount of baking soda and castor oil and gently rub into your gums with a soft toothbrush. Rinse after 2 minutes. Repeat a few times a week. Number 19. Alleviating dry, cracked lips. This natural treatment feeds the lips, gets rid of dead skin, and helps them heal. Combine 1 teaspoon castor oil with a pinch of baking soda. Apply to lips and wait a few minutes. Wipe off. Caution: when not to use this castor oil remedy. If you have sensitive skin, skin allergies, broken skin or wounds, or skin prone to irritation, are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your health provider before using.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.